So today I will take you to the navigation bridge of the container ship. This is smart chart table on the front. This is the GPS to GPS global positioning system from where we get the ship position. This is 8 disc, the electronic chart. You can see the ship is alongside in the port in the chart, and you can see the crane outside, and this is the radar. We can get all the target traffic information on this CPA TCPA. Here we can see the VHF telephone, and then a steering control system changing from auto to hand to auto. You can see here this is steering control system 1, this is steering control system 2, this is VHF from where we using this we talk to the VTS Port Authority. This is engine control, that's slow ahead to full ahead to operate the engine on different speed. This is engine local maneuvering panel, sound power telephone, wiper control, and here you can see the fin stabilizer operation. Here you can see the bow thruster and stern thruster which turn the ship to port to starboard, and this is engine control system, RPM and air pressure. This is hand steering from where you operate the ship while coming towards the coastal area in the port area. This is different images which we can switch over to radar also, X-band radar. This side view of this all the panel which we have seen, and this is the top view, RPM indicator, radar angle indicator, different alarm, echo sounder, radar rate of turn indicator. This is radar angle indicator. When you do hand steering we use, and this we take how much we have given to port, how much we starboard. This is the navigation light and the Christmas tree light panel, Navtex. Here it is echo sounder. This gives the depth below your ship is 2.85 meter. This is different control panel here. This is the ICS. This is the centralized operation system. From here we can operate from lighting to generator to engine to all the pump and various operation from this panel. This is Inmarsat C printer. You can see here you are getting the piracy information, alert, nav area warning. We have to see this, we have to check and plot on the chart. This is ballast water treatment system. Now we are going to the Inmarsat C display system. You have seen the printer there where all the warning coming, and this is the server. You can see means all the system information coming here in soft mode, and then the hard copy is getting printed out from the printer. This now we have seen that urgency message, EGC message, the warning is flashing here, and this is the control EG, and this is the MFHF system, and this is the one different system. Here you have the all watertight door panel, alarms, lightings system. Here this is the course recorder and radar angle indicator, heading and radar angle indicator information. It will getting print out here. This is now planning images in which we plan our passage for one port to another. Now we are, this is the one more GPS here. This is one chart table here. Now we'll show this area. This is the GMDSS walkie-talkie which we use in the live boat drill and maybe used in the emergency purpose when live boat drill. This is our small temple. This is our computer where we work a lot of messaging and then navigational software here, and this is crane you can see outside. Now from here we will go to the port side bridge wing. This is fully enclosed bridge. Very rarely you get the fully enclosed bridge, and otherwise the bridge wing is open, and the fully enclosed bridge now is here. You can see the port side maneuvering console. In port side maneuvering console you have here everything, IGDIS and engine movement. You can give all the alarm panel, bow thruster, stern thruster, echo sounder, everything. And this is outside view. You can see the cranes are there and cargo operation is on. Now we are going towards the center of the bridge, and from there we will go to the starboard side of the bridge wing, that is also fully covered. From where if we go starboard side berthing, then we will use all operation from a starboard side. This is our small tea coffee panel, and we are going to starboard side. Bridge wing is the same as the port side. Same, you can see bow thruster control panel, engine control panel, and stern thruster. All maneuvering information you can get on the display here. You can see everything is here. And this here we have a radar, it is also on details, and this is outside view you can see, and this is the VDR, voice data recorder. If any case of incident, we can get the information from here.